Good morning, student. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, student, today we are going to learn page number 30, practice set 2.3. Practice set 2.3, question number 4. Question number 4. Simplify the following sorts. Simplify the following sorts. So, first one here, root 2. First one is here, root 27. Okay, so we have to simplify these 27. Okay, first we will find the factor of 27. Okay, 27 का factor 3, 3 से हम निकालते हैं तो 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we get 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, so we can see here is a one pair of 3, only one pair of 3. So we will put this 3. Okay, इस पेयर 3 के पेयर को हम यहाँ पर outside of this root we will put this 3, and inside of the root we will put this 3. Okay, clear? So this is our answer. Okay, clear? Now we will do fourth का fifth one. Okay, fifth one. These all are very easy, so you can do it easily by yourself. So we will do fifth one, 168. Fifth one है 168, root 168. So first we will find here the factor of 168. So 2 से 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. Now we will write here the factor of 168. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 7, 3 multiply 7. So here we will see only one pair of 2 here. So we will put this 2 outside of the root, and these 3 are inside of this root. So this is our answer. Clear? So it is very easy. Okay, now we will do our question number 5. Question number 5 we will do. You can write these questions on your notebook. Now we will do our question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is compare the following pair of surds. Here we have to compare the following pair of surds. First one we will do. First one 7 root 2 5 root 3. Okay, so we have to compare these surds. Okay, now first we have to put this 7 inside of this root. Okay, हमको इस 7 को and इस 5 को हमको इस root के अंदर करना है. So we will 7, if 7 is outside of the root, so means 7 into 7 होगा वो, क्योंकि अगर पेयर है तभी वो बाहर आएगा. So we will write here 7 multiply 7 and 2. Clear? Now here is 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. Clear? Okay, now we will multiply these numbers. So we got 98, root 98. Okay, and 5 multiply 5 multiply 3, we got 75. Okay, now we have to compare these number. Okay, so 98 and 75, which one is greater than and which one is less than? So we get here 98. 98 is greater than root 75. Okay, so 98 is greater than 75. So this is our answer. Clear? So this is how to compare this number. Okay. So we will do our second question. Fifth का second number. Root 247 and root 274. Root 247 and 274. So which one is greater than? So we can see here this one is greater than, so we will write here 247 is less than 274. Okay, 247 is less than 274. Clear? So this is our answer. Okay. Now we will do our fifth one का sixth number. We will do this one. Okay, this one. 5 root 3 9. Okay, 5 root 3 9. So how to compare this number? First we will put this 5 outside in this root. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. Okay, now here is 9. So 9, if we can write this 9 like this, root 9 multiply 9. Clear? We can write this 9 like this. Okay, now we will multiply these 3. So we got 75, root 75, 5 and multiply 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. Okay, 9 9s are 81. So we got 81. Now we can compare this number easily. So which one is greater than? So we can write here 75 is less than 81, root 81. Okay, so we can write 5 root 3 is less than 9. Okay, so this is our answer. We can write this also answer, and this one is also our answer. Okay, so this is how to compare our pair of swords. Okay, clear? Now we will do our question number 5. Sorry, 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is simplify. First one we will do root 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Okay, so we have to simplify these numbers. So 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 is here. So first we will plus these 5 plus 8. Okay, and here is common factors, so we will write common 3. Root 3 is here. Now plus we will plus this number, so 5 and 8 13, we get 13 root 3. So this is our answer. Okay, first we will plus these number 5 and 8, and this is common, so we will write common root 3 is common here, so we will write root 3. Okay, and we will plus add this number and we get 13 root 3. Now we will do our second number. Okay, 9 root 5, 1 second, 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 125. Sorry, root 125. So first we will write here 9 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4, and here is common 5, so we will put here 5, root 5. Okay, now we will put here plus sign, and 125 का फैक्टर हम क्या होगा इसका 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, 125 का फैक्टर we will write here. Now 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 1 second. 9 minus 4 is 5, root 5 we will write here. Now we will put this 5 outside and this 5 inside. Okay, 5 and 5, 5 plus 5, so and this 5 is common, so we will write here 5, 5 5 10, so we will write here root 5. Okay, so this is our answer. It is very easy. Okay, now we will going to do question number 6th ka fourth one. Fourth one. Okay, we will do our fourth one. You can write this question on your notebook. Okay, now we will do our fourth one. Fourth one is root 7 minus 3 root 7 by 5 plus 2 root 7. Okay, so here is nothing, so we will put here 3, and common one is root 7. Okay, and we will write here 3 root 7 by 5. Okay, if here is nothing, so we will assume here is 1, so we will plus 1 and 2, so it is 3. Okay, 3. Now we will put this number 3 root 5, that's 3 root 7 by 5 as it is, and now we will do LCM 5. Okay, if here is nothing, so we will assume here is 1. Okay, so LCM is 5, and 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 7 as it is, root 7 and 3 by 7. Okay, now we will minus these number, 50 minus 3 and root 7 as it is, we will write here and put 5. Okay, so 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 root 7, 12 root 7 by 5. 12 root 7 by 5 is our answer. Clear? Okay, if here is nothing, so we will put here we will assume if here is 1. Okay, so 1 and 2, we will add these number, 1 plus 2, so we got 3 root 7. Okay, and we will put these number as it is, and we will add these number like this. First we will LCM, we got LCM 5 here, and we will add these number, means subtract these number. 15 minus 3 is 12 and 17 as it is. Okay, so this is our answer. Clear? Okay, so this is question number 6, simplify, how to simplify. Okay, and we will do our question number 7, 8, 9 in our next video. Thank you so much.